In today's video, I'm going to be covering the Trojan bot Solana Airdrop, and I'm going to be showing you the exact strategy you should be using to maximize your earnings from this upcoming airdrop. Now, if you've never used Trojan bot before, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, and if you click that link, you'll get redirected to Telegram, and here's where we can access the bot. Now, Trojan has hinted that there will be an upcoming airdrop, and considering the amount that they make from fees, I'm assuming that the airdrop's going to be massive. So I would definitely recommend that you go for this airdrop. So what do you actually need to do to qualify for this airdrop? Now, the airdrop will probably be based off volume, so that means that you're going to have to trade a ton using Trojan bot. So if you use Trojan bot as your daily bot, then all those trades that you make are going to add up to that volume. However, if you wanted to maximize the volume so that you can get a huge airdrop, I'm going to tell you my strategy. Now, as you can see, I've pasted in the contract address for USDC. And if you're not sure what USDC is, it's actually a stable coin, which means that it stays permanently at $1. Now, the reason we're using this is because we're going to be buying and selling with huge amounts of Solana to try and increase our volume. So if we had $1,000 worth of Solana, which we used to buy USDC and then sold it back into Solana, that would mean that our trading volume's $2,000. So if you can do this as many times as possible, that means you're going to boost up your volume and it's not really going to cost you much money. Of course, there are going to be some fees such as gas fees, as well as the small fee that goes to Trojan. So don't expect this to cost nothing. However, considering how large the Trojan airdrop's going to be, it's definitely worth taking advantage of this method. Let's just say we did this a few times and we managed to get up to $100,000 in trading volume. That's probably going to get us quite a nice airdrop. And if you combine that strategy with the daily use of using the bot, then you should expect to receive a huge airdrop when this actually happens. Now, the date of the airdrop isn't known yet, however, everyone's been asking for it and they have hinted to it, so I'm sure that it will be coming in the next few months. So I'd recommend you start doing this as soon as possible so that you can maximize the airdrop which you're going to receive. So this has been my video talking about the Trojan bot Solana airdrop. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.